Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys have been seeing on the channel lately, I've been doing some reviews of my friends, the Alpinist and then the SARG009, and I'm just about ready to get them back to them, and I figured, maybe some of you guys out there might be curious of how they look like in terms of visual comparison. And I also went ahead and threw my own SARB035 in for the mix. So this is no review. I'm not going to really have any commentary on this other than this opening here, because you guys can see full reviews of these watches, but I was just messing around with the cameras and figured I would just kind of show you guys some different visuals of these watches kind of out in nature and in their little element and how they kind of look, you're looking at them all at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys get the point. I'll catch you later, guys. Enjoy.